Fix system error 6118 has occurred in command prompt. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Try alternative commands. If you are getting an error when trying to find a list of devices connected to your network, you can try an alternative command instead. Follow these steps. Replace computer name with actual name. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Enable responsible services. Now locate the function discovery provider host service. Fix 3. Configure network settings. Here, make sure that network discovery and other available settings are enabled for private and public networks. Click Save Changes. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Enable SMB. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Reset Internet. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.